Oh wow, it snowed in Texas. You know what that means? That means it's time for trains. It is January 28th, 2026, and we've had a good bit of snow out here in North Texas. No more than probably 3 inches of precipitation, and it was mostly sleet rather than snow. But by now, the roads are pretty much clear, so I thought it would be safe to go and watch some trains. Our first destination would be the Union Pacific Choctaw Subdivision, which I would be out in somewhere around Argyle, Texas. So once I got to my initial location, I realized that there was a train sitting on the siding there. The train was facing south, so I decided to head south and see what was up. So after making it to the head end of the train, it looked like it was just some sort of GEVO leader, so I didn't think much of it. And I also saw up ahead on the signal that it had a high green, so I just decided to go further south to get a good shot of it. So I made it to my preferred location, which I've been to quite a few times before, but it gives this really nice sweeping curve and has some pretty good light in the morning. Now, whenever I heard the horn a little bit up the tracks, I thought that was a pretty weird horn for a GEVO, especially on UP trackage. So I was just expecting the train that I saw earlier, but I was actually quite surprised to see that it wasn't this train and it actually happened to be something else. Now, you don't see those much around here, so I decided to continue on and chase it down the line some and see what I could catch. But Texas drivers being Texas drivers in this kind of weather, people drove extremely slow, so the train very quickly passed me. But after the train decided to stop, I was able to obviously get ahead of it and see what they were doing. So it turned out they were just feeding some industries, which were some warehouse buildings that took refrigerated boxcars and then also some oil tanker variants. I waited out for about an hour in this spot, just seeing what they would do, and I really never got the shot that I wanted, so I decided just to head to my next location. My next spot was in Justin, Texas, and the drive there was a little bit hairy, I can't lie. When I got there, I heard a horn off in the distance, so I decided to set up real quick, and it turned out to be nothing special, but here's the shot. And after this train had passed, I really didn't have much time, so I just decided to go home. Thank you for watching today's video. It was pretty short because I was limited on time and I kind of had to throw this video together quite quickly. But yeah, hope you enjoyed watching and I'll see you next time.